Hello everyone, I am Urmil Joshi from the NG Gate. We are going to study strength of material today. Types of stress. Tensile stress. When we are applying axial load in outward direction, it will try to increase length of the object. Here, internally developed resistance force is in inward direction, but we will call it tensile stress only. Compressive stress. When we are applying axial load in inward direction, it will try to reduce length of the object. Here internally developed resistance force in the outward direction, but we are calling it compressive stress only. Shear stress. When we are applying load parallel to the surface, it will try to deform object like this. When two surfaces rub with each other or force is parallel to the cross section area, then we will call it shear stress. Types of stress. First, we can classify it into two parts: normal stress perpendicular to the cross section area and shear stress parallel to the cross section. We can classify normal stress into two types: tensile and compressive stress. So bending moment. Here it is one beam. We are applying two equal and opposite direction force which is apart from each other, and it is in plane which is perpendicular to the cross section and parallel to member plane. So here member plane and force plane are same. It will generate some moment and it will try to bend our beam like this. So length of upper string is going to increase, so tensile stress is going to generate, and length of lower string is going to reduce, so compressive stress is going to generate. In between these two lines there is one string whose length is not going to change, it will going to remain same, which is called as neutral axis. So this type of stress is going to develop. Moment tries to bend the beam like this, it is called as bending moment. SI unit of bending moment is Newton into meter. Here force and member plane are same. Due to bending moment, normal stress is going to generate, which is called as flexural normal stress, and it will vary from 0 at neutral axis and maximum at upper and lower string. Torsion moment. When we are applying load in plane which is perpendicular to the member plane and parallel to the plane of cross section area like this, equal and opposite direction force which are apart from each other, it will try to twist our beam in clockwise direction. When we are seeing it from the right side like this, it will try to twist beam in clockwise direction. Member plane and force plane are perpendicular to each other. Here it will twist our beam like this. You can see it here, there is no deformation at center point and maximum deformation at peripheral area. So shear stress is going to generate because two surfaces are rubbing with each other like this. So maximum shear stress is going to generate at periphery and no shear stress is going to generate at center. Due to torque over a cross section area of beam, torsion shear stress will develop, which will vary linearly from 0 at axis of shaft and maximum at periphery. Thank you for listening us. We will come with more and more concept and interesting topic. Write down your doubt in comment section. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you for listening us.